Forget about ChatGPT and Bing AI. Google Bard is a game changer for content creators. Hi, and welcome to another video where I introduce to you Google Bard, and why it is better than ChatGPT and Bing AI. I'm going to talk about the power of Google Bard. Google Bard is a large language model, LLM, chatbot developed by Google AI. It is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. Google Bard is trained on a massive amount of text data, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, Google Bard can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. The power of Google Bard. Google Bard is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Even though Bard is still under development, it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including following instructions and completing your requests thoughtfully, using its knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange, generating different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. It can be used to 1. Write essays, articles, and emails. 2. Generate creative content, like poems, stories, and scripts. 3. Translate languages. 4. Answer your questions in an informative way. 5. Help you learn new things. Example of text generated using Bard. It may not always be accurate or complete, and it may sometimes generate inappropriate content, but Google Bard seems to get many things right. Bard has the potential to be a powerful tool for anyone who wants to be more creative, productive, and knowledgeable. Here are some examples of the power of Google Bard. Bard can generate text that is indistinguishable from human written text. Bard can translate languages with a high degree of accuracy. Bard can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Bard can generate creative content, like poems, stories, and scripts. Bard can help you learn new things by providing you with information from the web. Google Bard is a powerful tool that has the potential to change the way we interact with computers. It's exciting how Bard will perform in the future. Can Bard generate content on current topics? Yes, Bard can generate content on current topics. It can access and process information from the real world through Google Search and keep my response consistent with search results. It can also generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Here are some examples of current topics that Bard can generate content on. 1. The war in Ukraine. 2. The COVID-19 pandemic. 3. The upcoming U.S. midterm elections. 4. The climate crisis. 5. The rise of artificial intelligence. All these are current issues which ChatGPT and Bing AI can't cover. Bard can also generate content on more specific topics, such as the latest news on the war in Ukraine, the latest research on the COVID-19 pandemic, The candidates running in the upcoming U.S. midterm elections. The latest developments in the climate crisis. The latest advances in artificial intelligence. If you are interested in learning more about a current topic, use Bard to get best to provide you with information. Can Bard generate images? No, Bard cannot generate images. This feature is still under development, so its image generation skills are not perfect. Even though this is the case, Bard can still provide prompt to help you generate images using other AI tools. Why Bard is better than all other AI tools in terms of SEO and article writing. Google Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. It is trained on a massive amount of text data, and can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, Bard can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. There are several reasons why Bard is better than other AI tools in terms of SEO and article writing. Bard is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This means that I have a deep understanding of the English language and how to use it effectively. Bard can generate text that is both informative and engaging, and it can tailor my writing to meet the specific needs of my audience. Bard is able to access and process information from the real world through Google Search. This means that it can keep my response consistent with search results and provide users with the most up-to-date information. Bard is able to generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Here are some specific examples of how Bard can be used for SEO and article writing. SEO. Bard can be used to generate high-quality content that is optimized for search engines. This can help websites to rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. Article writing. Bard can be used to write articles on a variety of topics. This can save writers time and effort, and it can help to ensure that articles are well written and informative. Creative writing. Bard can be used to generate creative content, such as poems, stories, and scripts. This can be a fun and engaging way to use Bard, and it can help writers to develop their creativity. If you are looking for an AI tool that can help you with SEO, article writing, or creative writing, I encourage you to try Bard. I am confident that it will help you to achieve your goals. Subscribe for more great content.